Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the text-based numbers and inserting a helper column beside them. Once done, identify obvious blockers, currency symbols, percent signs, commas, and non-breaking spaces. These stop Excel from parsing numbers. Make sure Excel isn't treating values as formulas by checking the leading apostrophe. Now you're ready to apply a single, reliable conversion formula that strips unwanted characters and returns a true numeric value so Excel can compute with it. You'll enter a formula in the helper column that removes hidden characters and forces numeric conversion. For example, equals value, substitute, trim A2, char 160. This trims spaces and removes non-breaking spaces. If cells include dollar or percent, nest substitute around the cell first, replacing those characters, then wrap value. Once entered, fill down the column. You're doing this because value returns a true number. Formulas and calculations will work correctly afterward, unlike text that merely looks numeric. You finish by copying the helper column, using paste special right arrow values to overwrite the original text cells, and then applying the desired number format. Make sure calculations update and conditional formatting behaves as expected. If you see hash value, or numbers still act like text, try the double unary method equals substitute, trim, A2, char 160, or run clean to strip control characters. Lastly, remove any leading apostrophes. That single check solves most stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.